friends, what's up? So we're in like a completely different area of my house today because I wasn't gonna bring all these boxes up. Like, let's just be real, there's so many boxes. Today's video we're gonna do an epic, I guess this is an epic because this is the most packages I've had to unbox at one time. Honestly, I love watching these kind of videos, especially watching my favorite YouTubers do them because like I just enjoy listening to them talk. Most of them are PR packages because the things I ordered myself I just kept opening. Oh yay! Okay, so this is the Kristen Leanne collection. Honestly, I should have opened this so much sooner. If you guys don't know Kristen Leanne, she's a YouTuber here on YouTube. Duh. So she actually came out with a collection with Urban Decay, so I'm super excited. It's actually a pretty big collection. The next package here is by Ole Hendricks. 4 things, one of them which I already kind of used. It had also come with macarons or whatever, and I ate them. A Hydro Clay detox mask, and I've actually already tried this once and I did really like it, so I'm gonna keep this aside and actually use it after I'm done this video because my skin has been breaking out like cray cray. Then we have a wonderful double cleanser. To be honest, I've never really tried Ole Hendricks products, so kind of excited. I've heard really good things about them. Then we have a moisturizing cream, and then we have a nurturing gel mask. Oh, okay, so do you guys remember when I made my blow dry tutorial? I had used that product that I was raving about, and it's called the Wow Hair Care. Like this stuff, honestly, it's called the Wow Dream Coat. And if you guys want to watch how I used it, watch my how to blow dry your hair tutorial. I will never blow dry my hair without this thing. I'm telling you guys, if you have like really hard to manage hair, very dry hair, very just like coarse hair, this is something that will protect it from humidity. They actually had reached out to me to send more products, so of course I said yes. So they sent me a bunch of the Dream Coats, and then we also have their color safe conditioner, a color safe shampoo, a flexible hairspray, a texture spray. We have a kale cocktail bionic tonic. Instantly strengthens fragile hair by restoring vital bonds. Then we also have a coconut one. Okay, I'm gonna try the coconut one. Oh my god. Smells so good. And then the last thing we have in here is a 1-minute transforming styling cream. It's a quick alternative to a blowout. I have really high hopes for this brand because I love that first product I tried from them. And when I was researching about it, it was like the top selling new hair care product of 2017 or something. It's kind of crazy. Cute little package here. I'm just throwing everything on the floor. I'm gonna regret it, but I have to clean it later. This is the Burgundy Bar palette from Maybelline. So it looks like this. This is from YSL. Ooh, I'm excited for this. So this is a 5-color lip palette, kind of like this. Then we have an eyeliner. So the eyeliner looks like this. Oh, it's a gold eyeliner right there. Ooh, nail polish. We got a blue nail polish. You guys know I don't wear nail polish, but that color, I will give that to Sana because she loves nail. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at this coral color and then this blue color. Look how pretty these colors are. Getting ready for the spring times. And then this last one here is a eyeshadow palette. These are like literally perfect for the springtime. I used to wear these in high school all the time. The Maybelline Age Rewind concealers. If you guys haven't tried this, I would say that this is one of like the best drugstore concealers ever because it actually covers all of the dark circles. This all is from Pixie Beauty. I have the Pixie Beauty and Wei Li Hong, their collaboration. So this is a palette and an eyeliner. I've actually never tried anything from Pixie Beauty, so this should be fun. Then these are the Glow Tonic To Go exfoliating toner. So I'm assuming these are like pads that you can use to take off makeup and stuff. We have a lower lash mascara. I feel like I may be too far. Let's just do that. Then we have the Rose Flash Balm Instant Skin Booster. So I'm thinking it is like a moisturizer. Then we have 2 matte lipsticks right here. This is the Pixie and Dulce Candy palette. Then we have the Pixie and Chloe Morello palette. So we have Liquid Fairy Lights. So this is a glimmer eyeshadow, I'm assuming. Oh, that's pretty. So this is kind of like, I want to say like the Stila, those glitter things that they came out with. So it has like glitter, it kind of like just a glitter shadow. So we have 2 of those. And then I have a lip icing. So it's just a liquid lipstick. And then we have a glossy lipstick as well. Cheek and lip color contour thingy mabob. And then we have another glimmer eyeshadow. This is from Ole Hendricks. It has like pineapple, I mean not pineapples, bananas, and I want to say kiwis or oranges on this. And it says wake up before you make up. It comes with like a little, what's it called, bag. And then this is a banana bright eye cream. So this is an eye cream. I want to say that this is, oh, this is like a robe. Cute. So I'm noticing that a lot of these packages are from, not a lot, but some of these packages were sent to me on Valentine's Day, so I'm kind of late, but I'm glad that I had a lot of Valentines. It comes with like a little bracelet. It says one for me and one for my Boscia bestie. Boscia's Botanical Bestie. So it has a black luminizing mask. If you guys haven't tried the charcoal cleanser, it's like warm. It's weird, but I love that cleanser. I use it every single day. It comes with a breaking up, cooling oil kind of thing to take your makeup off, and then it also comes with a charcoal pore putting, which I've never tried before. So it just says you're supposed to leave it on for 15 minutes. So it's type of a mask. Oh, this is another package from Color Wow. I got a few things that are like super extra, so I'm gonna do a giveaway while we're just like doing this video. So far, because I have 2 of these that the Boscia has given me, so one person will win this gift bag here, another person will win all the stuff from that Color Wow, like that hair treatment stuff. So all you have to do is just leave a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to me and make sure you're following my Instagram account, and leave a comment down below. Just leave a comment down below. It doesn't matter. It can be any comment. It could be a hi, it could be a hey, it could be a hello. It doesn't matter, and you will be entered. So I don't know how many giveaway things I'll have. We'll find that out towards the end. So now we have a package from Bare Minerals. So this is, it says be original, be natural, be you. And this is the Bare Minerals. These are blushes, 3 of them in there, and then it also comes with a brush. And then we have Bare Minerals, some Bare Minerals, what are these? Liquid lipstick. So we have a bunch of them, and they're all nudes. So they're all different shades of nudes. Super pretty. Ooh, this is from L'Oreal. Cool. So these are scrubs that they came out with, and each of them come with candies. Yum. This one here is a grapeseed scrub, and this is to brighten up dull skin, and it comes with some grape candy. This is yummers. Then we have a kiwi scrub. Oh, this is actually so cool. It actually looks like kiwi. It has little beads inside of it, and this is to unclog pores for oily skin. And then we have a cocoa scrub, and this is for nourishing dry skin. Oh my god, that smells so good. This is I actually already have these. This is the Busy Brow or Busy Gal Brow. So these are just like brow mascara thingies, like gels. And then it also came with this Nespresso espresso machine, but you guys know I've been drinking coffee, so this will come in handy. Cleaning all this up is gonna be annoying. Okay, so next we have this package from Cover FX. So this is shimmer veil. Oh, you can use these anywhere you want, but they're meant for your eyes. So we have 4 shimmer veils. They're all in like the bronzy, pinky nudes family. And we have one of their glitter drops. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so it's like their drops that they have for highlight, but it's actually just pure glitter. We have this from Buxom, the Power of Plump. These are tinted lip balms. Yay. Okay, I love me some tinted lip balms. I'm somebody that needs to have like a chapstick on them at all times. I can't stand the feeling of dry lips. So these come in 4 colors: a nude one, a red one, a purple one, and a clear one. I'm gonna try the clear one right now. Oh, these are thick. That's cool. So now we have these from NARS. This is a Hot Tin Rouge. It's a liquid blush. I've actually never really tried liquid blushes. Then we have 2 of their shadow sticks. We have the Reef Soul. It's a blush. Looks super pretty. I love me some blush. And then we also have 4 lipsticks, I believe. 4 lipsticks. Jada, what you doing?
He's so confused.
He's like, there's just too many things here. I can't even see anybody. Look at, say hi. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, so we have this package from the Body Shop, and this is a firming shaping essence lotion. That's cool. It's like a lotion, but it's all liquid. Looking forward to using that. Then we have a firming shaping serum. All of these have ginger, ginseng from China, and ruscus from Europe. And then this is a firming shaping cream. Then we have, this is from Tarte. This was supposed to be opened on Valentine's Day. So we got a I love you from top to bottom little, it's a toilet paper. And then we also have a bunch of their like lipsticks. They're kind of minty. I forgot what these called. They're like big jumbo lip balm type of things. So these are the new Maybelline Super Stay liquid lipsticks. I actually already have a bunch of these also. So I'm gonna do a giveaway with this too, so someone will win this. Oh, this is cute. So this is a Bioderma and Children's Wish Foundation collab. This campaign takes place from across Canada January 15th to May 15th. For each product of this collection sold, they will donate $1 as donation to the Children's Wish Foundation. So this is the what comes in it. It has a little towel. We have a ultra nourishing anti-irritation shower gel. We have a dry and damaged hands and nails cream. We have a lip balm, and then there's also an ultra soothing skin barrier. So this is kind of like something for your like sensitive skin. This is from MAC. Ooh, it's their highlighter, little highlighter things. I've been seeing these around Instagrams. So these are the two different types. One is a gold one, which is the top one, and then the bottom one I would say is more kind of a rose gold slash pink. All right guys, one person will win this MAC, the more pink rose gold tone one, so one person will win this. This collection is what had everybody going crazy. So this is the MAC and Jeremy Scott collection. That's so cool. It comes with all these eyeshadows here, and it's meant to look like, you know, the sound things for DJs. This one honestly I wouldn't even use. I would more so just keep it as like a collector piece. We have a 3 cheek things, so I'm assuming these are blushes. Oh yeah, so we have a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush inside. This is so cool. A mini lip palette. That's so cute. Guys, look at this. It's so cool. And then the lip palette is inside there. Okay, now we're gonna open this big Too Faced one, and then I already know what's in this big other thing one. I got a piñata. Look at it. So I got a little piñata. I will break this open in a little bit. And then we have the Too Faced Mystical Effects Setting Spray and Refreshing Spray. So I love the Too Faced, the peach spray thing that they have. I actually really like that spray. I think that's my favorite like setting spray ever. Then we have the Too Faced Peace and Love. It's a eyeshadow palette, strobing brush. So this is like a rainbow brush. And then in this package, I don't think you guys want to see this. It just has the stuff that we were left behind in Utah when we were in Utah with Benefit. So they gave all that extra stuff. Right here under me, if you guys would see it, I'll show you. Let me show you. I'll take a picture of it. So that's what the floor looks like currently. All right guys, so that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna quickly clean up this mess, edit this video, and have it uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, actually, no. Let me tell you about the giveaway. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. All you have to do is just leave a comment down below. It could be a hey, hello, what's up, blah, blah, blah. I don't really care what you say. Just 4 comments anywhere in the world. Make sure you're subscribed to me here on YouTube, and make sure you're following my Instagram, and that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! You guys, there's makeup stuff in here. We have a magical lipstick. Then we have iridescent bronzer, a highlighting stick, another highlighting stick. We have a lip topper. They're gonna be like, what the hell is she doing? What is wrong with her? The video ended already. Oh, this is cool. We have a mermaid lip topper. Oh! Confetti! He comes in. Hi.
He's scared at the same time and like.
Oh!
Hey! Jesus Christ! He really needs to learn how to come downstairs.